Flea Market at Toji Temple. For my money, it's the best in Kyoto, if not all of Japan. A place where you'll find pretty much anything you're looking for at a reasonable price. Now that's what I'm talking about.
We're bargain hunting for shopping deals here at Toji Temple at the monthly flea market in Kyoto. Let's go!
Only a 15-minute walk south from Kyoto Station, the Kobo Ichci market takes place on the 21st of every month. The setting here is one of the things that make it so special. It takes place on the grounds of an 8th century Shingon temple, and a statue of the temple's founder, Koochi, watches over a temple that was built to keep negative energies out of the city. And it works. This is a working Buddhist temple, and the resident monks can be seen worshiping and praying throughout the grounds. Toji Temple was founded during the Tang Dynasty in the year 796, around the same time that Kyoto became the capital. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994. The 5-story pagoda here dates to 1643, and at 55 meters, it's the tallest wooden tower in Japan.
There's something wonderful about walking through a flea market and smelling the incense from the temple. It's a really great experience. Kind of mellows you out for the shopping.
And that's a good thing, because if you're a bargain shopper that loves authentic cultural souvenirs, there's a lot here to get excited about. Because of its history, it's worth coming here on any day. But on the 21st of every month, it's even better. There really is something here for everyone. A vintage baseball glove, great food, and tons of fantastic stuff to be found.
Looking for a samurai sword? Check.
Samurai swords and armor are great, but I was looking for a deal on a kimono. And I found one. Well, 10 actually.
Okay, my first score of the day. I bought a beautiful kimono for 100 yen. Just gorgeous. For $1.
At that price, I had to go back for more.
So I ran across my man Shiero's stand before I even got inside, and he's got the best deals in the place on kimonos and obis and stuff like that. So I just got my Christmas shopping done early this year.
And Shiero was all about Trans-Pacific deal making.
And the jumbo shopping bag was complimentary. Arigato, Shiero.
Kobo Ichci is not a huge market, but they really pack in the goods here, and it's easy to work up an appetite. I scored some great snacks here at this organic bakery.
Wow, I was really pleased to run across this Yellow Deli, which is an organic bakery run by Nathaniel, a Frenchman actually, who's been living here in Kyoto for a couple of years. Decades of life in Japan and together with his wife in France, and now they've opened up a bakery here.
Cranberry cakes and green tea muffins are the kinds of treats you'll find here. And Nathaniel talked to me a little bit about how he and his wife, Amiko, found their way to Kyoto.
Yes. I came here in Kyoto actually the first time 35 years ago. And I met my wife. She came to France before I came to Japan. So when I came back to France, we married. And we stayed 20 years in France, and then we went 10 years to Australia, and 2 years now here.
These baked goods look absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait to try that French toast. Baked by a real Frenchman.
The setting, the amount of awesome stuff to be found, and the most amazing people make the Toji Flea Market a fantastic experience.
I'm not sure I dressed properly for this flea market.